All right, how's everyone doing? I'm Rich CELENZA. Thanks for checking out my channel. So behind me is actually my dry cleaners. I've been probably going here for over 30 years. And the reason I want to put this video up is to help guys realize that they could find great dry cleaning affordably. And most guys, I don't think, even realize this. So let's put it this way. I live right next to an extremely wealthy area, and then I live like near middle class, and then down the street from there is kind of, a little rougher areas, whatever the case may be. But just by me coming to this dry cleaner, I save probably half my money. Probably at least $1.50 to $2 a shirt, which may not seem like a lot, but if you at the end of the month end of the year, whatever, figure out how much more money I'm saving. I save from $500 to $700 per year on just going to a different dry cleaner. And here's the deal regarding dry cleaning. A lot of them do stuff internally, but a lot of it goes out as well, and most of them all use the same companies. So if you're going to a high-end area, which I understand, a mall that you get your dry cleaning done, you could be paying up to, I don't know, $2, $4, $5, $6 a shirt. Some are, whatever area you live in, obviously it's going to change. But just by going down the street sometimes, or even 3-5 miles down the road, which you probably drive past all the time, you may consider just finding a more affordable dry cleaner. The thing is, you have to make sure they take care of your clothes, obviously. That's number one. But anyways, just think about that. A lot of people, I don't think, really think about that with their dry cleaners. They just kind of want to make it accessible or easy for them, so they go to the closest one. And a lot of times they are the biggest ripoff. I'd hate to say that. I've been yanked many times, and also if you're going to dry clean, don't do it on the road, especially through hotels. They are extremely high. They're really crazy. You could end up doing 5 pieces of clothes. They'll charge you $50. I'm not kidding. So obviously you want to make sure you do your dry cleaning when you get home. So anyways, that's all. If you get a chance, subscribe to my page. I'm just going to be throwing out quick videos like this, trying to help guys, like I said, try to save money more than anything, and just think about where they're spending their money. I'm going to be putting one up for car rental as well. So that's it. Take care. I'm Rich CELENZA.